Okay, so just to continue, I wanted to talk about the structure of the course and when they have to turn things in. So, as I was saying, they'll have to turn things in at the middle of the week and at the end of the week in order to help them manage their time. For the essay exam, no, for the revising and editing, they'll have to turn parts of that in. That's another good example. And then they'll have to turn the final draft in at the end of the week. So they're going to be going very quickly, but that's actually over 2 weeks. So they'll have to turn their final draft in. They'll have a lot of writing time or more time to work on that than they would other parts by the end of week 5. So that's just an idea about how the timing of the course is structured. We go back home. And then in the Start Here section, we have rubrics and the pre-assessment. The pre-assessment is just something that they'll have to do by the Wednesday of the first week so that the instructor can get an idea about their writing proficiencies. Then each module is similar, especially prior to the actual writing activity. So there's kind of a build up to that where they are going through some activities to learn about writing mechanics, some ideas about how to create transitions, sentence structure, that sort of thing. So for for the first 4 modules, they're going to be doing an activity like learning about the top 5 mistakes, for example. They'll be watching a video. They'll be reading about it, watching some videos, and then they'll go to a Google Docs to add some. It's going to be a resource document where they can put in information that's going to help them later on to remember not to make those mistakes, for example, or in another Google Doc where they're going to look at sentence structure. It's going to help them remember different types of sentence structure that they can use just to kind of help guide them to writing in a less stilted way, to kind of get them to get comfortable with a type of sentence structure that might be very different from what they're used to in their language. So, and there are directions for each module. So we'll go to Module 2. Module 2 directions. They're going to review the websites and about sentence structure. They're going to create a sentence